Good morning, children. Now today we come to the next subtopic in this lesson, atoms and molecules, and that is writing the chemical or molecular formula of different acids. Now children, remember that acids have a very important constituent, and the constituent that is present in all acids is nothing but hydrogen. So acids have a very important constituent, and that is hydrogen. So the positive ion here is hydrogen. Now hydrogen has a valency of 1. Okay. Now hydrochloric acid, in addition to hydrogen, has negatively charged ion chloride. The valency of chloride is 1. So after you cross multiply, you get HCl. So the formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl. Is that clear? Then we have sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, in addition to hydrogen, has sulfate SO4 minus 2. So the valency of sulfate is 2. So when you cross multiply, you will get H2SO4. You don't have to bother about these charges when you are writing the chemical formula. Okay. So remember, all acids have a very important constituent, and that is hydrogen. Valency of hydrogen is 1. Hydrochloric acid, in addition to hydrogen, has chloride. So when you cross multiply, you get HCl. Sulfuric acid has sulfate SO4, valency is 2. So after you cross multiply, you get H2SO4. And nitric acid has hydrogen along with nitrate NO3. The valency of nitrate is 1. So after you cross multiply, you get HNO3. So these are the three chemical formulae of the main acids: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. Now we are going to do some chemical equations with acids. Now we come to the first one, and that is calcium nitrate plus hydrochloric acid. So we will write the symbols, formulae, and cross multiply. So calcium nitrate has calcium with valency 2. Nitrate is NO3 with valency 1. So after you cross multiply, you get Ca, and this whole NO3 you put in the bracket and you multiply it by 2. Plus, all acids contain hydrogen. Valency of hydrogen is 1. In addition to hydrogen, there is chloride. Valency is 1. So you get HCl. Now the positive of this calcium will react with the negative of the second compound. So you get calcium chloride. So you get calcium chloride. And hydrogen with nitrate gives nitric acid. Okay, so you get Ca, valency is 2, chloride, valency is 1. So after you cross multiply, you will get CaCl2 plus H with NO3 will give HNO3. Now let us balance this equation. There is one Ca here, one Ca here. Then there are 2 of NO3. Here there is only 1, so you write 2 here. And when you write 2 here, hydrogen gets 2, so you write 2 here. And Cl gets 2, and there are 2 here. So now the equation is balanced. Let's write another chemical equation on acids. So we have sodium hydroxide. So sodium is Na. It's the positive ion, valency is 1. Hydroxide is OH, valency is 1. So after you cross multiply, you get NaOH. Now all acids contain hydrogen. Valency of hydrogen is 1. And in addition to hydrogen, sulfuric acid has SO4. Valency is 2. So after you cross multiply, you get H2SO4. So the positive ion of this will now react with the negative ion of this. So you get sodium sulfate. And hydrogen with this hydroxide gives water. So now we will write the formula for this. Sodium is Na, valency is 1. Sulfate is SO4, valency is 2. So after you cross multiply, you get Na2SO4 plus water. Water is H2O. Now here we have 1 atom of sodium on the left. Here we have 2. So to balance it, we write 2 here. Okay. Then you have 2 of O here. Now before we move on to that, you just focus on this part. So keep these OHs to balance for this H2O and keep the sulfates intact. So if you look here, there is 1 sulfate here, 1 sulfate here, 2 Na2s are there. So here you have 2 and 2, 4 H's, 2 H here and here there are 2 H's. So to make this 4, you write 2 here and you get 2 O's here and this is 2. So this equation is now balanced. Is that clear?